How to get started with meditation, a beginner's guide. Meditation can provide many benefits, including reducing stress, improving focus and concentration, and promoting relaxation. If you're new to meditation, getting started can seem daunting. But it doesn't have to be. We've put together some tips to help you get started. 1. First, find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. You can meditate anywhere, indoors or outdoors, in silence or with gentle background noise. 2. Then, simply focus on your breath. Breathe in and out slowly and deeply. If your mind starts to wander, just gently bring your attention back to your breath. 3. Start with just a few minutes of meditation each day. Over time, you can gradually increase the length of your practice. There are many different ways to meditate, so experiment and find what works best for you. Remember, the goal is to simply relax and focus on your breath. If you can do that, you're doing it right. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.